Local news for Wednesday the 8th of March. Martinborough Chartered Accountant and business leader Greg Sheehan is among 144 chartered accountants worldwide to be awarded a top accounting honour recognising outstanding service to their profession. Sheehan is chief executive and co-founder of Rightway, a disruptive and extremely fast-growing accounting and business advisory firm with offices throughout New Zealand and now Australia. UCole Masterton's campus is off to a great start this year with the arrival of students back on campus and the leadership of a new campus manager, Maria McKenzie. There are a few courses still to start in the next few weeks, such as cookery, construction and foundation skills, and Maria encourages anyone thinking about studying this year to get in touch urgently. And in sport, the sidecar motorcycle team of Spike Taylor from Masterton and Robbie Shorter of Tauranga took out the New Zealand title at Hampton Downs last weekend. They fought off a last-ditch effort by another Tauranga pair who won all three races to clinch the title by just 5 points. For local news and sport, good morning. I'm Brent Gare.